Boy looks so frightened now, what go on?
Come from interview, I run come so I go on, you know.
Who say what's going to? Who say what's going to interview?
Puga.
Put the clothespin them in the bath in the house. Put the clothespin in the bath in your house, please, yes. That's where you should. The ladies in here putting in the work. We have Natisha over there, we have Shy Ara, we have Jenna, you know, we have Mother Teresa there, we have Smiley, and we have Bibi and Esther and Ava. We thank you so much for those contributing $120, you know, also for the back to school treat. We have also give thanks to B-Rock Design as well to from North London, you know, that literally donated $10,000 worth to. Oh, go on.
Move the pally.
Look at bags. Bags, from gallery. Look at school bags, galore.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Alright guys, so heading into National to go get the hot dog bread. Yeah, get the hot dog bread. I'm here with Jackson as well too. Here with Jackson. So this is the new National. This is the outlet. This is the outlet for National. Oh, Merry Christmas. AC cool. Small one? Yeah. So, give me. You get the small. Yeah. You see what I'm going. Alright then. So you see Rasta Jacks who have fallen.
I no come follow that. If you don't follow nothing but cranberry. And then the mother now I'm careful with the father and put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, girl.
One thing we take them, I lift them out of where they live there. The condition they are living condition.
Don't start. Never time.
Papa.
Alright, them general. Big up, yeah? Alright guys, so we're at the Nationals, but they only have 1 dozen of these. Here, take it, man. 1 dozen of these small ones, so I have to go elsewhere to go get the rest. National run out, so we need more than this. So it's 8 come in 1 pack. So this is about 96. You know, so we have to go and get the rest. Got to put them on this thing. Look at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That way. Alright guys, so we have to go to Crossroad now by Nationals to get some more because they only have 8 packs. 8 pack of this bread, so we need more than that because no, sorry, a dozen pack. 8 come inside the pack and this a dozen pack. So that's about 96, you know, so we need more than that because trust me, the kids them is enough than that by far. So we're gonna head to Crossroad now to get some more and then get the franks and get food coloring. Just go across the road quickly. Watch that one. Alright, come now. So Pinedo and Boom and the rest of the guys them is on the road. So me and Jax will go and chat and Esther have to go pick up our mommy as well too. So you know me and Jax will go and chat it right now. Go across Jax. So this is the Nationals. I get a national here in 3 Mile. No, I'm not lying. This son is teaching me a lesson to obey the sun. It says to obey the sun. Hey, I'm telling you, oh gosh, guys. Yeah, even the car AC come like a joke. You know, it's like a joke to go and ride. I don't know where I go, but Jackson, the place is hot, so Crossroad. Yeah. Best place. We'll head back for Crossroad is down back. It's first to the road and go through. Alright guys, well. So we here. So
yeah. The big treat in it, so we have to get the place spunk up, you know?
Yeah.
One dream team.
Preparation day today, guys. As you can see, the place been cleaning up. You know, this is all some sand that was on the street. You know, where the members them bag up and all of that. You know. Pinedo and the team been putting in the work.
Extended family.
Yeah.
Respect and manners to everybody. See me I say, yeah man, a boss a sweat, you know?
Yeah.
Man, a boss a sweat. One team, you know.
One team, so the man them a sweat, so you see the man them with their shirt because they've been working. Yeah.
First, I start from morning, from early morning, I work with a ramp with it.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Just got out, we're going to get soak.
Man, I come the man and start.
Yeah.
So come on, for that, come on, same time, much at the place, same time.
Yeah, the teamwork was make the dream work, you know.
Teamwork, yeah. Every time,
yes.
Yeah, every time we family. Love every time, extended family, love every time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Teamwork with the teamwork.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm trying.
Teamwork with the dream work. Yes.
Now we have Arias over here.
Yes, bless you, love. You know, team, I do the thing. Genius as a candidate as a front man with the bear him.
Yeah.
You must steer it right, so the team have to work.
Right team,
Yeah, the real team are there. Like the real team is the dream team. Not a team, but the dream team.
No other team.
Bless you, love.
The bag them they finish?
Yeah man, I buy some more this month.
Yeah, and I say 20 come like it did too much.
I buy some more this month.
So we're gonna need some more for them then.
Yeah, but I only
Yeah, can look to buy something.
Alright, now.
Yeah.
I mean I get some more. Whoa! Whoa, looks so fright now, what go on?
Once I come for me interview, I run come to walk on, you know.
Who say what's going to Who say what's going to interview?
Cougar, Fred man, say yo, Mickey's going for your interview, me I say, yeah, that a go on. There man, clean up time now man, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, go catch a one special when a puppy go and kick off me, you know?
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah,
man, I hate man, there man.
So chef, run come for the interview. The man run come for the interview quick and fast.
No man.
Yeah. I'll get some more bag and come back. I'll go up a Mughal and come back. I'll get the bag of coal and just get the coal a while ago, you know. Yeah. So guys, so as I said, all of these bags where you see with sand, and where the guys them bag up, that was right here, you know, so we're gonna put these in the yard. So we have some more sand there, right there. And down that side as well too. Yeah, so you have some more sand, so we're gonna bag that up, you know, cause that's hazard also. We start to look clean already, looking nice and ready. So I think we're gonna move the black them and thing. Yeah. Now I go for Mughal and come back and get some bag. So even these blocks now, we're gonna move these blocks from here and pack them right along the side here. So I'm gonna get some more bags to come and bag up the sand. So I'm gonna head to the hardware and come back. You know, head to the hardware and come back. We'll take out that coal here as well. Take out the bag of Jackson. Yeah, nice shot. Alright guys, so we're at the hardware. Gonna get some bags. Oh, the lock up? Oh, the bag. The bags them will finish. Or they move them. Natalie? Natalie, bag finished? Okay.
One by one.
Natalie, can I get another 20 bag? Yeah, I'm getting another 20 please. Get 20 of the crocus bags and that's the bag that we're going to use to bag up for the sand. So another 20 will do. So we bought 20 yesterday and the guys then so them still have to get some more. You know, so another 20 can complete up the rest of the sand and the gravel that's around the area.
10 supposed to have a can double check it still.
10 supposed to?
Double check it. You can't check it next week?
So 12 supposed to in there. 12 you said. Now let me listen, don't me have anything. She said 12 supposed to in the jack. Look at that, that's like 6.
Back 9 I got door. And the back at 10. Go.
Jack's a clear his throat, he's not too sure. Not sure exactly.
You can't manage 2. And 2 that 2. Bag itself at 2, 3.
No, 2 in already. You know.
2, so that's 4 that.
No. And 1 you put in there.
Yeah, cold.
How are them black sitting here?
I'm taking the next pound. But it's a black pound.
You know, but this never cut me. Lord, I'm rich.
Much that now?
How much you get, Jackson? 9?
Yeah.
9. So wait, the whole of these bags have the black something in them?
Them have it. If I get this, I get more, I get it.
Yeah.
If I get this about, come I get more, I get it. Get that. Put them down.
I just said 10 is in this bag, so and 10 should be in that one. So they give us 3 brata from the data. So we can
get a bucket there, put it in.
Remember, so you can't do that on my stone and my line stick there. Remember, so I'm clustering them.
wow.
The stone them.
It's close.
I'm going to put my sheet on the wall and put the stone them up there.
No, make them see us.
Wow.
No, remember, I'm clustering them.
No, put the clothespin them in the bath in the house. Put your clothespin in your bath in your house, please. Yes. That's where you should put them.
You can't get rid of that clothespin.
Yeah.
Put them in the bath inside the house.
All they do, then they drop them here, so. Then not they drop them right there, so. A pebbles one this.
Yeah, then
drop
they
them
drop
right
it.
there outside.
Pin it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, then come and move on. One move in a Gino.
Alright.
Yeah, man, what's that info?
Yeah. So you're the ones that are moving for everything one time.
So them, you know, they got the sign of the
You get a new clothespin, eh?
You too. Yeah, new clothespin. How it feel? Can I take more? bag to finish?
Oh yeah, empty bag again.
Which one?
This.
Which one again? Throw the rest of this in the hole. That what should do. Yeah, throw the rest in the hole.
No, my bag there, man. Hold them back, they don't know the bag there.
Asha, you ever realize? The shovel do
I
it.
shovel it.
Yeah.
Finger soft.
There.
Yeah.
The shovel did that. You know, after coming to the Kungla hot. You know? Yeah, so the work is on, the work is on. Where you get that to buy? Wait, Teamwork make the dream work, and this is how dream team do it, you know. Teamwork make the dream work. Yeah. Yes. Throw that in the hole. Yeah, we have to move these things.
So them are last of them.
Now, listen now, we're not rushing them away, you know. We arrest them back. We arrest them away for a time being. Yeah, let's arrest them because these things not gonna can be here because the kids them.
I check.
Why you cut me? A piece of fly?
Me a put over.
Yeah, for a time being.
Oh, then I go up and it go broke it.
That can't broke it. You can't break that. I wonder if we could have stand up on the wall or so and pass up the bag them. I just drop them in the yard.
Right, that's where which part of this bag is?
So this is how far original one. The famous one. Yeah. One of this, you know, right down the same part. No, part them right down the south. This one I pack them right from the corner there so.
Because remember the pallet have to go back over it, so we have room for the pallet.
Yeah.
All of them bags, you drop them here, you know, right, that's why I put them in there. Them bags till the time being, you know. Yeah, right, that's why I put them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of pennies. So much at 5.
Nah,
yeah, 9 bags that.
Drop one more, yes.
The pallet now go hold it.
Right.
You know. See him where, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got a fair one them, and how much bag left is the chunks?
Over there. Scrape back, one scrape down some and over there.
No, it's a ton old, man. It's a ton old.
Alright, done.
Yeah, put that in there. Help him put on that.
Yeah, man, love it, man.
Now I can stay a fire.
And the cement I go up on it, that's the level, you know. That you see that the level, you know. It will throw water upon the start, swing down now, cement it, you know. The level that, brother. Yeah.
What is nasty, I say, you know?
Eh?
No, it's a wire.
No, I'm a tree them, man.
Yes, sir, alright.
No, we have to leave two of the bag them out, so put one pan the end and one pan the end there.
They picking them now.
Yeah, because they're going to jump up on him.
Yeah.
So.
Put the one in the middle for Manchino.
Put the one right there, so. Ah, yes, sir.
Yeah, so this was resistance on the half feet time being.
Come where you got, boy?
Boy, come here.
Who they over there with boy?
Come on.
How for them bag?
Why you arrest them? Them that fruit it. Run the song.
You just move the pally.
Yeah, see him with us. Help him out.
No. Oh, yeah, don't make it pitch with fair one, yeah, so. Don't mix fair one with food. This they will put few on one of them.
Come. Yeah. I drop one right on top of them one where you have full boom. You're on top of them then. Yeah. In front, go in front.
Yeah, job with all they straight a while ago. The Akeynote, I'm sorry you don't get that on the video.
Oh, what go on?
Or it's a grab for your bag a while ago, but it's empty.
Oh.
You don't know say it's empty.
Oh. Come on, turn over.
Like bag in a move. You wouldn't know say it like that. Look, everything is done straight.
Hold that in there. Hold that in there.
Hold that in there.
Put that one in front.
Yes,
Yeah, yes. I want your boss.
No, it's a long time back.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah.
Hold that, sir.
What's in the barn?
Baby. Take the pallet and lean the pallet here, so.
Find a place?
Right up by this, so. Lean the pallet there, so. Because you see one time Gio done, he's going to take it.
We'll get some juice now. Okay. Yeah, the lemonade as well, though. Yeah. The squeeze. Pineda, Gio, what do you want for drink? What do you want? Beer or drink? Sharon, give them this.
Yeah, one for the
yeah. Alright guys, so we'll finish off over there. So we're gonna attack these ones now and put these in the yard as well too. So this will clear off everything out here. We'll just finish off over there. So right is our time now.
May I wonder why I'm being up for cool?
I said the beer cool him up.
Oh.
When you hear people talk, don't tell him about take my camera call. Say beater? Say beater? That's him saying now, beat you. Yeah man. See? Yeah man, yes. Yeah one too. And you the man who want lick. I'm a bridging that, yeah?
Today stop me here.
Oh, go on. Hazard. You lick on the place, so I go. See what I want to do. So when a two man have carried them easy.
Yeah man, I'm like, come on.
Yeah, I got this.
Come here, boy.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, I can't work Boom and Pineda can't work together. Droppings always are going. Hey, boom. Droppings always are going. Oh, wow. Yeah, worry about yeah, wait.
Swing it a while ago.
So we're packing these right here. Alright guys, so we finished pack all of these bags. So we finished pack all of these bags right now. So now we're gonna organize and get the stuff, them books and the bags now, and to sort those out right now. So the whole long day, you know. So We're doing good so far. Alright then. Guys, so we have Baby there. She's not too much in a good mood. Baby not much in a good mood, guys. So we have to see with her today. You fit for tomorrow? Boom. So guys, we're gonna get all these stuff. I'm just resting my order for free time being. So first we want to get all the chop all in there.
Sour beer, the 2 sour beers.
Take out them stuff so we can get out the chop all in. Literally we have to give thanks to Ava as well. To, you know, Ava literally just donated $120 US towards the back to school treat. You know, Ava is from the Kiwanis from Miramar. You know, so blessings to the Kiwanis from Miramar. And Ava, we thank you so much for those contributing $120, you know, also for the back to school treat. You know, and then we have another name as well. So I'm going to check it out and then let you guys know 1 second. Hold on. We have also give thanks to D-Rock Design as well from North London, you know, that literally donated $10,000 worth to. So it's D-Rock Design, pronounced D-Rock Design, you know. So also we have Goldie from D-Rock Design, North London, you know. You donated $10,000 towards the back to school treat. So thank you so much, D-Rock Design, you know, Goldie from D-Rock Design. Thank you so much for contributing $10,000 towards the back to school treat.
General,
thank you so much. So blessed love.
Good now.
Love. So guys, so we're gonna get this stuff out and we're gonna literally sort them out right here. You know, everything is gonna be sorted out right here. Oh, somebody called Natisha for me. Talk with just a while ago.
Yeah.
Talk with just a while. Because on camera you have to deal with the case. Yeah. Send her one call Natisha. Where the bag do? Where the bag do?
This is what good here.
It's not good, it's not good.
Where the bag do?
Next week, 14 next week,
Yo,
3 more days next week, 6 that, you know what
I know we need limey.
Yeah. Alright, man.
Throw them in one bag.
Rubbish that?
Eh? How is that?
It's not that one.
Come on, Natisha. Come on, go gang and take out the box.
Hi there.
You see them bag there? We're going to give them as PE bag. These ones, string bag them. So now put nothing of them here, baby.
Sherry.
Esther, them string bag there. I'll give them as PE bag.
Sherry. Sherry. Sam.
Move.
I'm only gonna need what kind of it's what?
Tomorrow. Eh? We have prepared them. Some of them pack already, right? Only for books and things to this. So.
Like them here. But some of them is tough.
I'm seeing inside. Oh, so they're gonna need more stuff then. It's like how they may come out of the box. Overcome. Some of them. Yeah. But we still have to go through them because we have a whole heap of books and things for going on them. Exactly. Yeah, because we have to take out the barrel next. The barrel them. Yeah. Just yeah.
That's a light one.
You're gonna make them stay in the chimney and just pack them in there?
Yeah, let's make them stay there.
So I like all them stuff the in there.
Yeah, them the in them like say no none of them.
Yeah, no.
Just like village.
Cabin shower gel and stuff, right? Yeah.
This and the book, so this can stick. I have a writing book.
Yeah.
I have before, like them and have in the writing book. We would have to just put in writing book and we would have writing.
Because we have a whole heap of, we're not going to see much stuff here. We're not going to see a whole heap of stuff, you know. And I take out the rest of the stuff. No, in there, so. In there, so we are going now.
Clean out all the day.
We're not this. Not too much. Okay, another one. Let's put them over the corner. I will show you that. Let's say for that. Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, this one. Sorry, I won't if I work. Take me back in no time. Roll it out. Just check one way in them and just take them out. And we can steal, Let's get it from this side. Listen, we're not gonna need space for the books them. For go some stuff. We can put the bag them over the wall.
You never own a chapal in tear up. So could I spread over pooch this, you know? If we don't get in a chapal, you know, would I go for pooch too?
To tear up. You know, no chapal up there.
I must do the same gun, around the same gun, you know.
Yeah? Yeah, well, come on.
Hey, Jella.
Keep it.
Take it.
Come on, that's what we tell you. Come on, that's what
Oh shit. Whoa.
Back to school preparation is taking place right now. Alright guys, so see the back to school preparation is taking place right here. So we organize the bags them and everything. Bags, we have barrels of bags and books. The ladies in here putting in the work. We have Natisha over there, we have Shayara, we have Jenna. You know, we have Mother Teresa there. We We have Smiley and we have Bibi. And Esther is coming back. You know.
I mean that's different.
I get another chapel because we're gonna need more space. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
We are doing some because some of them they stay free them in it.
Okay.
Keep them separate for safe.
For the age. Yeah.
I don't feel like rock. I'm so sick of the road before time.
Come close to me.
My brother side. Bring a bag over this. Yeah? Yeah. Them wanna go give us PE bag. PE. So we can put them the last. Can't put them still. So remember these are bags. Yeah? Pull it out, let me show you. Pull it out. Open it. Yeah, and zip up back this now. See? These are some bags. So these definitely are the kids them bag. Alright, baby. You see the idea for them bag, yeah? These ones. We can get like even the younger kids them. Because open one, me show you. Open one. Let me show you. No.
Hey, Dad, come and fetch a Pauline.
Hey, Smiley, run it down. Open it, me show you. So zip up at the front now.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Give me that purple one.
Yeah. So these now are for the younger kids them.
Yeah.
Because they're not going to carry much heavy books.
Yeah.
So this now we can last them. So you can pack these for the younger kids them. You understand? Them one, yeah?
Lanila, you're just here.
Eh?
That's for the younger kids.
Yeah. Because if the older kids them can't put books and them things in them for long. Because they can't manage too much weight. You understand?
Yeah.
So we have some more bags over here. Yeah?
Pack a crayon, pencil. But we also have to just get the art of the side. Yeah. Yeah, crayon them, the pencil one.
So basically these bags right now, so well in car bags, yes. No, if we start, we don't want pencils and things over here, so then.
One box of pencils.
And
Sharp pen.
alright, guys, remember them bag here are for the younger kids them. These one are for younger kids, so I'm gonna pack them for the younger kids them. The younger small kids them. Because show them and know them now can all the big books them for the big kids them. So these one are for the most, so they're gonna target the younger kids with these one. And the older one them with them bags. So you know what kids need already. Crayons and them stuff. So zip up that part a little. So that part there you have to zip up that part there. Look down, right in front, right there. So, you come take some more stuff over here, so. Yeah, take some more stuff over here. Yeah. Yeah. So we can go and unpack them and make them up. Bring another pack over here, so. Give me another packet. Give me the red one. So, see another pack here. Let's go and open them out, see me. So,
That's why I'm going to take a day for my job.
Are we did that? I got my weed. Say, I'm you me a beg something. I got my weed.
can I have something for her? We want her. Just tell me, say this is the right one, I give you.
Give me the key for that.
Alright, I call the owner. I call the owner, I made the owner send on, you know?
Bag them a pack and you pick them and we give pitney.
Them a pack. Them me ask if them a go pack in a school bag.
What?
Boy and girl bag.
Them ya.
Oh.
No man, they're not pack in a school
And
bag.
them me ask them
Yeah,
to throw them back in there. Look at them move.
Girls, some of them.
Chop like what that?
School check. Okay, 10.
Let me say. When time away, that's you have to cut out. They can't come and say.
Yeah. Some bag there. Guys, look at bags. Bags from gallery. Look at school bags from school bags. Galore. So, alright guys, so basically I'm saying we have to give a huge shout out to our extended families. You know, they say we have to give thanks for the overcomers. You know, we thank them so much, you know, for the continuous support of this back to school treat here in Trenchtown. You know, they've been doing it for years and they never stopped doing it. You know, we thank them so much, the overcomers. Nothing but love and love alone, guys. So I want you guys to help us to thank our extended family, each and everyone that contributes, and for everyone that send their prayers, you know. And I have to also thank the Kiwanis from Miramar, you know, because that's in Florida. So you have Miramar as well too. You have Kiwanis all over the place, but you have these one specifically from Miramar. You know, I would thank you so much as well too, and thank for everyone that donated to contribute towards the food as well to the nourishment for the kids. You know, we have to big up to, I don't remember all the names, you know, but we have Liku, we have Just, big up to Country as well too, you know, Blessed Love Country, Unknown, Anonymous. You know, we thank you so much for the contribution, you know, all the unknowns, everyone, you know yourself. So if I forgot to call a name, you know, and everyone that donated, we thank you so much, you know, for this thing for the kids who is for the future, you know. So, you know, if you look out for the kids for the future, that's a must. We cannot forget the kids them, you know. So we continue with the preparation, you know. So we got 99.9% of everything almost completed, you know. So we still have a little other stuff to get to finish complete, you know, but we're still doing what we're doing same way, you know, which is great. You know, I would thank each and every one for the love and the support, you know. Nothing but love and love alone. So thank you guys so much. So yes, so the team is here putting out the work, you know. So we thank our team so much, you know, Dream Team members, them for them effort, you know, that them always been pushing out, you know. So guys, there's nothing but love and love alone, you know. So it's all making a difference in others' life. So tomorrow should be a beautiful day, you know, with everything, with the kids them out and everyone will be out, you know. So so blessed love and stay tuned for tomorrow, you know, the thing goes. So alright then guys, so we're going to see what we're going. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just complete packing out all the bags them and everything, you know. We have this section of bags right here, this section over here of bags, right, and over here now on this next station everything already organized already over here. So now we can literally put them away and everything. So we have these leftovers that we're going to put away as well too, okay, you know, for continuation and for the rest of the barrel. For the barrel that's going to come with some more bags just in case for the kids them when they get anything. We're going to have stuff to pack same way, you know. So everything looking good, everything looking set, you know. So everything looks good. The younger kids them could put them in a barrel, you know. So we're gonna put cause we have to know the difference. So these are the bags that's gonna get to the smallest child, eh? Yeah. The younger kids. So these are the bags for the younger kids them, you know, that go basic school, and them ones, this is what they're gonna be getting first. You know, so. Yeah, Esther, we are part the them one here. No. The baby kids them.
Which one? Yeah, part the kids them now.
The baby kids them, yeah.
In a.
God. Which elder person? If I use Pampers, nothing wrong with that.
Yes, I'm taking it from me to use Pampers.
Well, nothing is wrong with that.
Remember my foot injury and sometimes I can't but I get up to go to use the bathroom. So I like want to put on. But when I just lie down and do what I'm doing.
You don't have any problem because we don't want you to mess up the place.
Okay, thank you very much.
Careful where you wish for.
No, not them one. Not them one there. Them one.
Oh, them one you want?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the one that we're putting on.
Oh, yeah, oh. And then them one day, I'm going to one different barrel. In a one barrel.
Eh?
I put them one in a one barrel and then I put them in a one barrel.
Yeah. So they're not mix up. I would have put them in the box.
You know, what's the show on the bird?
Wow.
Put that this so.
Else somebody will want to bring them.
Bring come and Jella. Oh, Sky still a park.
You know the baby bar?
Yeah, lift your back. Lift your back.
Don't do it. See me and cover.
I come on the road, Devon.
Auntie, Mama, give me. Yes, that's the thing.
Devon, she embarrassed me wicked as I know.
Devon, come out to the road. I want to come on the road.
Pinedo.
No, them never different summer.
We're bring the box. We're going to bring the box in the Esther and pack it from in there.
This is the teenager they call the teenager.
Yeah, bring. Roll in this there. Roll in this.
No, them they're quite different. Maybe them will go one side. No.
Still. No, put the light on.
No, that space there, so.
Sit down, funny. I'm making see. And our man, remember?
No, they must have a pencil in there. Can't do that.
Skyline now. You don't want no tight, you know.
You can get one pack and cover.
So you claim your money.
Alright, we'll show you utilize the. Can't hold no more. Alright guys, so we thank the Almighty, you know, we're finished in good health and everything, you know, we finish well and finish everything. So we thank the members them and everyone that come and give a helping hand, you know, we did it, you know, we're complete, we packed up everything right now, and now we're gonna, you know, the man is cooking some food, you know, source up the energy as well for the work everybody been putting in, you know, everything goes. So see everything packed away. So we have Mother Teresa, we have Daniela there, we have Shayara, and we have Bomimbal, you know, everyone did a great work. This is our rubbish. We have Rasta Jackson over there that put in the work. We have Natisha Granny never do anything. She's just coming in to work. You know, Pineda there, burn out now. My rest up now.
Yeah, man, you see.
Resting up.
Dig up on yourself, man, you see. Yeah, go on with a little rest up, you see me?
Yeah.
Get some food in our stomach.
Yeah, so, like I'm talking about food, let me see what I go on in the kitchen with it. We have reserve baby here that can put in some work. And we have Dynamite as well to put in the work, you know, give us strength. And we thank Chicken Tea for passing through, thank you, you know. And we have Wow.
Yes, man, you see.
Wow in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, proper,
you know. So we say after work, food time.
Yeah, man, low and cut rice, don't know, so boom, I steam down the fish them now, man. I fry them first, and then I steam them down, you know.
So we say new chef.
Yeah, man, boom, I do it this time, man, you see.
The smiling chef, this, you know.
Yeah, man, so
we have Boom the smiling chef.
Boom, the smiling chef. So, I'm going to do the fish too, because we don't want to do it, you know. Yeah. No want to do it, you know, but I want to do the pumpkin stew. Yeah, one of them days I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I did pumpkin stew.
Yeah, man.
So see what we'll throw in the aisle, eh?
Man, alright. Put flop on the fish, man.
Also, you see so smiling chef, I'm going to fry them there. You know?
Let's tell them to fry them.
Yeah,
Just sprinkle the flour upon them, man.
Yeah, sprinkle the flour.
Yeah.
Everything was smiling chef.
Everything is a man, that's what I know.
Smiling chef. I got to do the man, you know? Yeah. Today was a day, you know, we literally put in a lot of work today, the members and put in a lot of work today. Huh? Ufa shovel and thing that. Wow, chef. The shovel and thing at Ufa. The shoveler.
I'm not stopping them now.
Oh, wow, chef. Yeah, so. You know, we already done the work that needs to be done, you know, so, you know, tomorrow, you know, just all set and prepared, you know. Bounce a castle up there, trampoline here, bounce a castle over there, you know. So everything already set how I want it to, you know. So tomorrow you will see the big difference when all these cars come off the street, you know. We get the space, and then the kids then can have a full ball field. Yeah. Everything is going to move. I have a full ball field for tomorrow. So you know everything goes, so guys, so blessed love, you know tomorrow's another day. You know everything goes, so yeah man, so dream team, one team. Nothing but the only real team, you know. Blessed love and peace. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.